Chengeling.
Hey, Woon! You look at it.
Jatuanjo.
Dia mak mega.
Ya me ke be kere. En driver mama gir ma ke wen. MPs mi ro chwal soro.
Wa pon ni dero jan. Pon ni dero jan.
Yana phone ke mi do report dum do. Why won ko ti mara tawa be chiro go mente go.
Aya.
Ki bola yero.
Ya to. Aya, ore vi won. Ya bi ko yo choro. Ha? Bi ko yo choro war karo. Ya abu ju de ne ga makna kiya. Bi ko do abu ju won ken mu ta ya abu yo. Lại người đọc được cơ. Những đọc không ngọt thì mẹ. You're going to sleep here. Baby. Baby, now be talking about
And have sex with reptiles. Sleep here and have sex with reptiles. That's it. Atie bi donya mateka hema. So guys, this is the life here. Agago district. All the way from Kalongo. I was from recording the MDD, and you can see what's happening. This is the main road from Kalongo to Patongo. A friend of mine trying to go and sell the pig. Things are not easy. So this is something that would not take a lot of money for the leaders to lobby for and repair it, and it's a very big challenge. Jemre tiri ni dan. Iwache lo tela lingo.
You're right.